1. Why meal prep? Benefits: saves time, reduces stress, cuts costs, and promotes healthier choices. Who it's for: busy professionals, students, parents, or anyone seeking structure in their diet. Second meal prep essentials: tools needed, containers, BPA-free, compartmentalized for portion control, basic kitchen gear, knives, sheet pans, slow cooker. Storage tips: keep meals fresh for 3 to 4 days in the fridge, freeze extras, label containers with dates contents. 3 simple, nutritious recipes. Recipe 1. Speedy breakfast egg muffins. Ingredients: eggs, spinach, cherry tomatoes, feta, salt, pepper. Prep: whisk eggs, pour into muffin tin, add veggies and cheese, bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Storage: freeze for up to 1 month, microwave for 60 seconds. Recipe 2. Lunch: Thai peanut chicken bowls. Ingredients: grilled chicken, quinoa, shredded cabbage, bell peppers, peanut sauce, peanut butter, soy sauce, lime, ginger. Prep: batch cook chicken and quinoa. Assemble bowls with veggies and drizzle sauce. Tip: swap chicken for tofu to make it vegan. Recipe 3. Dinner: 1 pan lemon herb, salmon and veggies. Ingredients: salmon fillets, broccoli, zucchini, olive oil, lemon, garlic, herbs. Prep: toss veggies and salmon on a sheet pan. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Serve: pair with pre-prepped brown rice or cauliflower rice. 4. Time-saving hacks: batch cooking. Make grains, proteins in bulk, e.g., roast 2 trays of veggies at once. Overlap flavors: use similar seasonings across meals to streamline prep. Repurpose leftovers: turn roasted chicken into tacos or salads.